Red? That's why it sucks to be there.
Nice.
Very good.
What do you think?
Okay, now it's Chad's turn.
Go. Chad, do it.
Okay, I'm gonna need
Chad, do it.
sit here,
Chad,
buddy.
do it.
Ooh. Nice.
Yeah,
I think-
well done.
Is that why you're touching my teeth?
None down at the bottom. None down at the bottom.
The ones on the bottom.
Look at that one. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap.
Now
Ooh, wait.
Oh, careful, careful.
here.
That's not a good one.
I can sit here.
Oh, flip it out like Chad does.
He's getting it. He's getting it. Careful. Very light.
This one's pork.
Keep pushing it.
You're okay. You're okay.
I want this one.
I don't like this one. Nice.
Get one?
Yeah. Go. I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play anymore.
You're the lizard.
You're the loser.
Whoa.
I think you're gonna be a loser.
No one's losing except for you.
Oh, I just got
Ooh, that's so shaky.
Oh.
Good morning, guys. Time check is... Let's see, kagigising ko lang kasi. Oh. Time check is 10:32. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! So, Thursday ngayon dito, Thanksgiving. May konti akong cold. Kaya ganito yung boses ko. So, maghihilamos lang ako ng mukha, guys. Tapos, check natin si Chad kasi maaga siyang bumangon. Kasi, lulutuin niya yung turkey na binabad niya, na binabrined, na binarind niya kagabi pa. So, gumising siya ng maaga, guys, to prepare it. Then, check natin siya. Maghilamos lang ako ng mukha. And then, today, we are also going to do the pomegranate salad. So, Mom will gonna teach me how to do it. So, next time I can do it by myself. Katie and Matt are in town. And we are celebrating the Thanksgiving with them as well today. Good morning, sweetie. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Mom is on a walk.
Oh,
I just took the turkey out of the brine.
okay.
We're gonna have to
You
figure out how to put the butter underneath the skin.
Oh, yeah. Ito yung ginamit ni Chaddy Boy na pang brine. Onion, bay leaves,
Onion, garlic, bay leaf, Worcestershire, and thyme. Ground thyme.
Tapos ito, guys, yung aming ipang rarab sa chicken. I mean, sa turkey. So, this is butter with parsley,
garlic, salt, pepper, and lemon.
Ayan. So, irarab siya later dito all around sa buong part ng turkey and even underneath the skin. Kailangan din siyang i-rub. And this is the pie that Mom made last night. So, I guess this is the apple pie. This is the cherry pie. And both are
But the
apple. But the other one
the
is...
apple pies, they're two different styles.
Uh-huh.
But we're going to tell Katie that they are the same style, so she won't take any. And that means there's more for Chad.
Okay guys, ito na yung turkey. Nag-rub na kami ng butter kanina. So, dun sa loob, meron din yan. Tapos, underneath the skin, naglagay din kami ng butter, guys. Then, the rest, yung tira sa paligid na ng turkey. And then, later, lalagyan ni Chaddy Boy ng filling yung loob ng turkey ng onion, lemon, and thyme. There. And then, Mom is preparing the potatoes. Ayan na, guys. Naka-grate na siya ng isang pan. Then, working on the other half. Okay. And then, how long you gonna bake him, Mom?
They'll cook for an hour.
For an hour.
I'll probably just put them in the fridge till it's time to
Okay.
cook them.
Okay, guys. This is the stuffing for the filling for the potatoes. So, cheese, sour cream, and some seasonings.
Cream soup.
Ah, yeah. Mushroom cream soup and chicken cream soup.
And where do we put the sausage in there?
Sausage. Oh. Because Chad likes that sausage. And there too.
Let's see if that looks like the bathroom. So get it this time.
Mom's making
I'll do 2 more slices.
2 more slices.
That'll be half of that.
What is this? Sanoa salami. Kailangan natin siyang pukpukin, guys, para lumabas yung seed dito sa pomegranate. Okay, guys, dito na sila.
That's
Happy Thanksgiving!
Thanksgiving.
From the beginning of it. Cute.
I hope I could get it.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. See?
What?
Happy Thanksgiving, Wesley.
Happy Thanksgiving, Peachy.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. And Chad is getting ready the fire pit. The fire pit. Dito kami kakain, guys. So, ito yung setup namin. Napakasimple lang ng aming Thanksgiving table.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is the ham.
It's
That's pineapple on the top, guys. And then, wala na yung crackers, ubos na. Ito yung aming nilalafang habang nag-aantay ng food. Ubos na yung ham, ubos na yung sausage. And then we put up the cornhole there. And this family of 3.
Are we gonna play, Peachy?
Yeah.
Can I use to pick up that bird and put it onto the tray? It's probably still a little warm.
Well, that was super fast.
Did you look at your rolls?
They're not ready. Well, wait.
This is the turkey, guys.
Oh,
That's the
And
turkey.
I got my necklace and on my shirt.
Yes. And this is the funeral potatoes.
There we go.
This is the pomegranate salad.
Which knives?
Your cuisine art.
Oh. Oh, you don't want to.
Big bird.
You don't want to show me on the blog because I don't know what I'm doing here.
They're just cutting up. Look at that turkey leg. So big. This is the... Look at that turkey leg, guys. Sobrang laki. Guys. Chips. Rolls. Pomegranate. Potatoes. Alright, guys. So, tapos na po ang aming Thanksgiving celebration. At nakauwi na rin ang mga bagets. Sina Katie and Matt. Pati yung makukulit na mga bagitos natin dito sa bahay. And Chaddy is... And Mommy. Chaddy and Mommy. We are cleaning up. Kasi tapos na yung ating kainan, guys. At marami tayong leftover for tomorrow. Ginamit ko na rin yung aking bagong bili na nail gel polish. Ito guys yung kulay ng aking kuko. Tanan. Yan. And then, nilagyan ko rin si Katie. Tapos si Mommy, either tonight or tomorrow ko siya lagyan ng nail polish. Pero guys, just so you know, yung Thanksgiving na to ay first time namin ginanap dito sa bahay namin mismo ni Chad. At meron kaming bisita. Dumating si Mommy, si Katie, si Matt, pati yung mga bata. And this is the very first time na mag-celebrate kami ng Thanksgiving dito sa mismong bahay namin. And I am so happy and excited and super happy na nangyari tong araw na to. And yeah, meron kaming malaking turkey hinanda and ham. And lahat yun ay tinulungan kami ni Mommy. So, nagluto si Mommy ng pomegranate salad and pies. Si Chaddy po yung nagluto ng turkey at nag-smoke ham. We had so much fun today. At ngayon lang natapos ang aming celebration. Actually, movie sila ng 10:45. So, 15 minutes ago. And I just wanted to show you guys na rin yung binilin kong gel nail polish. Actually, si Chaddy po yung bumili nun. In-order niya sa Amazon. Pero, dito ko na rin gagawin yung unboxing niya, guys. Kasi, na-open ko na siya at nagamit ko na rin siya. So, ito yung aking set ng bagong gel polish kit. Ito yung kanyang box. At meron siyang 20 pieces gel polish. It has 20 colors. And ako naman yung umorder netong professional gel polish UV LED light dryer. UV LED nail dryer lamp. Sa Amazon din, guys. Same time namin siyang in-order. Pero unang dumating yung gel polish bago ito. Kasi late siya dumating. And ito siya, guys. And then, ito yung kanyang cable. Meron siyang timer. Merong 30 seconds. Merong 66 seconds, 60 seconds, and 30 seconds. Then, ito mag-running siya. Iilaw siya. And nag-iilaw din siya sa loob kapag pinasok mo yung kamay mo para patuyuin yung gel polish. Also, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga kulay na meron tayo sa ating gel polish kit. Ito yung gamit ko, guys, sa aking kuko. Ito yung aking gamit sa aking kuko guys tonight. Ginamit ko yung 1A105. Tapos sinagyan ko siya ng A104 na glitters on the top para mag-shimmering splendid siya. Yan. Ito yung kinalabasan niya guys. Ang kulay. Tapos meron siyang either gusto mong mag-matte top gel or gusto mo lang yung top gel na makintab, yung glossy. So ito siya. Kapag matte naman, ito siya. So ginamit ko lang yung top gel. Then meron siyang base gel na i-apply mo muna bago ka mag-apply ng mismong gel polish. So, this is really worth it guys kasi matagal mo siyang gagamitin at it's way cheaper than the salon kasi kapag pumunta ka pa ng salon guys, you need to pay, you know, like $50 para lang sa iyong manicure. And so, I think this is a good idea guys. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga nail polish, mag-ayos-ayos sa inyong mga kuko, this is a good idea as well na bumili at gawin nyo lang sa bahay yung inyong manicure habit. And thank you sa pagsama ngayong gabi nito sa aming Thanksgiving celebration with the family. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking unboxing as well ng ating gel polish kit and yung ating Jubilee dryer lamp. Yan. I do really like this so much. And thank you sa pagsama tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video and please give it a like. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night.